Hey third graders, today I'm going to teach you how you are going to start doing research for your informative essay all about weather. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your Clever. When you do, you're going to see that there's a link at the bottom for PebbleGo. This is where we're going to find a bunch of texts telling us all about different types of weather. So go ahead and click. Now, in order to find books about weather, we are going to go to the science link. Next, you're going to want to click Earth and Space Sciences. So go ahead and click that. When you click it, you're going to see all different types of Earth and Space Sciences. We want to choose weather so that we can see different types of weather. Look at all the different types of weather that you can choose from. Maybe you want to learn more about cold weather, extreme weather, or hot weather. I'm kind of interested in learning a little bit more about hot weather, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Now, before I start doing my reading and my research about hot weather, I want to use the slide in my informative report organizer to keep track of which websites I'm using. In this slide, I have room to write the name of my website, and then I can also start jotting down information from the website. Now, I know that PebbleGo is a reliable and credible website, so I'm going to put it over here so I can keep track of what I've used. One really easy way to do this is by clicking the Cite button on PebbleGo. It's going to give me a citation including the URL to PebbleGo that I can put in my slide. So all I have to do is copy it, and then open up my slides again, click, and paste. And there it is. Now it tells me the name of the article that I was looking at and the URL. So now I'm ready to start doing research and jotting down information that I learned from the website. I really want to focus on some of the advantages and disadvantages of hot weather. That means the good things and the bad things about hot weather. So you can go ahead and read, or if you want to have PebbleGo read to you, you can click this yellow button over here. I'm going to read on my own. It says hot weather usually means the temperature is above 75 degrees Fahrenheit, or 24 degrees Celsius. The sun shines and people try to stay cool. When hot days are also humid, it feels even hotter. So it seems like one advantage of hot weather is that people find great ways to stay cool. I can infer this by looking at the photograph over here and because it says it in the text. So I think I'm going to include that in my notes. So I'm going to go ahead and write one advantage of hot weather is people stay cool. For example, we might go swimming. But I know that there's also some disadvantages to hot weather. When I go back to PebbleGo, I can look at some of these topics and I think I'm going to learn about some of the disadvantages of hot weather. For example, heat waves is probably going to tell me about some of the bad things that come along with hot weather. And more importantly, I'm also going to learn about staying safe during hot weather. This might be good information to use in my concluding paragraph when I give advice to my readers. So go ahead and have fun researching. I can't wait to hear what you guys come up with.